Star Victory. Today we're going to introduce Star Victory and their performance display steering wheels. These steering wheels are available for BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, and a variety of Subarus. They can be custom made or ready to bolt on right now. So let's go check it out. All right. So now that we're in our car, we're in our 86 today. One of the first things you notice about the steering wheel is how it feels in your hands. The Star Victory comes in either Nappa or Alcantara leather. So whether you wear gloves or barehanded, your hand molds into the steering wheel. You get a really nice fit, whether you're a little higher than 10 and 2, whether you decide to lock your thumbs or your thumbs are on the outside, you get a great feel, which is one of the best things any driver can tell you. It's the direct connection between the wheels, the road, and yourself. We go into the function of the wheel. Your OBD2 to read certain parameters, whether it's oil temperature, water temperature, check engine lights, boost pressure, your voltage, for example. This particular model can do 0 to 100 timing. And you can do custom settings as well, such as when you want your shift points. Any driver will tell you, you don't have much time to look at your gauges. And if there's something wrong, you need to know right away. So you can go up and you can set your different color settings when you want green, orange, and red to show up. And as you get to 6,000, that's it. Time to shift and go faster. You don't have to waste your time looking down between your steering wheel, between your gauges. Everything is right here, and it is all custom set. You can set it for any type of car, any type of setting. Whether you have a turbo or an NA, you want to change your shift points, it's all able to be adjusted here, all from a wireless Bluetooth OBD2 connection. This steering wheel just feels so good in your hands. As soon as you get in and start driving, your hands naturally fall into whatever place it is. The Star Victory steering wheel works with all that. So all the original components, the original airbags, all bolt right back into it. So you don't have to worry about voiding warranties or if your airbags are just going to intentionally go off in your face. But the feel really is the best. And we could keep feeding it back and start changing the tune on the fly just by knowing what the settings were, how much boost we were running, and what the oil temperature and oil pressure was. We knew we could push it a little more as the temperature in the air went up and the track temperature went up. It's so easy to use, it's so easy to install, it feels good in your hands, it works in race cars, it works on the street. You have no problems with your hands, there's no slipping, there's no sliding, it's just a great wheel. Star Victory!